In my 40 years in the practice, this is the fastest I've seen the AEC industry move. The complexity of kind of work we do now has changed dramatically, which requires us to apply the most technology possible and to make our process more integrated and more collaborative.
We're using these 5 different programs. So one team would be in 3D in one program, and then we had to switch over to 2D. And that transition leads to errors and omissions every single time.
We need a software which can help us to produce several different outputs and much quicker than before.
In about 4 to 6 months, we were more efficient than 2D technology.
And what I like about it is that it's very intuitive, and it feels like it's software designed by architects or people at least that understand buildings.
It is a software which helps us to imagine, to create, and to represent and visualize to our client how the project will be.
Its superiority lies in having unified data source that can effectively integrate all the information.
A lot of people say that ArchiCAD is very technical and therefore refuse it. However, for us, it is a creative tool that enhances our work.
We wish we had ArchiCAD on day one as a studio. The radical change that we've seen from our designs, from our team, the integration of everything that we're trying to accomplish is the proof is in the end result of our project.